Hello, you are watching Balahippo Math Genius Riddles. The questions: quantity x factorial plus 1 times quantity y factorial plus 1 equal to quantity x plus y factorial. X, y is integers. Find the value of x and y. Would you please to submit if you are interested? In this video, we share nice math logic to clarify the questions, then find the result. Pause the video and try it while you are ready. Keep watching the video to get the result. The questions: quantity x factorial plus 1 multiplies quantity y factorial plus 1 equal to quantity x plus y factorial. There are factorial items in these equations. Recap the factorial definitions. N factorial equal to n times n minus 1 times n minus 1 minus 1 equal to n minus 2 times the number difference 1 with previous numbers till the end, 3 times 2 times 1. For example, 5 factorial equal to 5 times 5 minus 1 equal to 4 times 4 minus 1 equal to 3 times 2 times 1. 4 factorial equal to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Same definition from each factorial value. Then 1 factorial equal to 1, 0 factorial equal to 1. Our questions: quantity x factorial plus 1 multiplies quantity y factorial plus 1 equal to quantity x plus y factorial. Review the items: quantity x plus y factorial. If it is an odd number, the value for quantity x plus y factorial only equal to 1 due to while we increase the factorial value, they are all the even numbers. So there are two conditions to get 1. It equal to 1 factorial equal to 1 or 0 factorial equal to 1. While 1 factorial equal to 1, then x plus y equal to 1. We can swap x by y or y by x to the given equation, then the result is the same. Then we review x, y value become easily. So x plus y equal to 1, the only condition is 0 plus 1 equal to 1. We define x equal to 0 and y equal to 1. Substitute x by 0 and y by 1 to the equations. The left side of equation is quantity 0 factorial plus 1 times quantity 1 factorial plus 1. And the right side equal to 1. Quantity 0 factorial plus 1 times quantity 1 factorial plus 1 equal to quantity 1 plus 1 times quantity 1 plus 1 equal to 2 times 2 equal to 4. It's not equal to 1 in the right side of equations. So 1 factorial equal to 1 is not a result. While 0 factorial equal to 1, then x plus y equal to 0. The only condition is 0 plus 0 equal to 0, x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Then substitute x, y by 0 to the equations. The left side is quantity 0 factorial plus 1 multiplied quantity 0 factorial plus 1, the right side equal to 1. The left side equal to quantity 1 plus 1 times quantity 1 plus 1 equal to 2 times 2 equal to 4. S not equal to 1 in the right side of equations. So 0 factorial equal to 1 is not the solution. From about exercise, quantity x plus 1 factorial is not an odd number, it is an even numbers. While quantity x plus y factorial is an even number, then there are two conditions. Quantity y factorial plus 1 is an even number, and quantity x factorial plus 1 is an even number, or quantity y factorial plus 1 is an odd number, and quantity x factorial plus 1 is an even number. No matter which conditions, we focus on x factorial plus 1 is an even number. So x factorial is an odd number. It means x factorial equal to 1. Then x could be equal to 0 or 1. While x equal to 0, substitutes x by 0 to the equations, becomes quantity 0 factorial plus 1 multiplies quantity y factorial plus 1 equal to quantity 0 plus y factorial. Simplify as 2 times bracket y factorial plus 1 bracket equal to y factorial. Develop as 2 times y factorial plus 2 equal to y factorial. Finally get y factorial equal to minus 2. It is negative, so this condition is not the solution. While x equal to 1, substitute x by 1 to the equations as quantity y factorial plus 1 multiplies quantity y factorial plus 1 equal to quantity 1 plus y factorial. Simplify as 2 times bracket y factorial plus 1 bracket equal to quantity 1 plus y factorial. Then develop it and adjust quantity 1 plus y factorial equal to quantity 1 plus y times y factorial. Then move the number 2 to one side as 2 equal to quantity 1 plus y times y factorial minus 2 times y factorial. Factorialize the item in the right side as 2 equal to quantity y minus 1 times y factorial. To get the result, it could be y minus 1 equal to 2 times y factorial equal to 1, or y minus 1 equal to 1 times y factorial equal to 2. While y minus 1 equal to 2, y equal to 3, then y factorial equal to 3 factorial equal to 6, not equal to 1. So this is not the answer. While y minus 1 equal to 1, y equal to 2, then y factorial equal to 2 factorial equal to 2. So y equal to 2 is the solutions. Then we got x, y value, x equal to 1, y equal to 2. Do you find it? Hope you to enjoy the video. Thank you.